Hello, welcome to our Healthy Khmer Cooking. Today we're going to doing red dragon fruit shake. First, I would like to tell you about ingredients. It has red dragon fruit, coconut milk, and ice. So I would like to show you how to doing red dragon fruit shake. First, we need to put all the ingredients in the blender. We need a little bit water to rinse the coconut from the can. Then add the ice. And heat up with the high speed. After it's smooth and creamy, we need to serve it. So, this is our red dragon fruit shake. You can make it at home because it is easy, it's yummy and healthy too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and ជំរាបលា